What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. I'm Angele Altieri if this is your first time here, and welcome to the video. Very exciting video for you today. Today I'm doing another sneaker unboxing with some on feet because I'm keeping this shoe as a personal. So yeah, as you can tell from the title, the thumbnail, today I'm unboxing the Off-White X Nike Jordan 4 sale colorway. Very exciting. I did get exclusive access. I'm a day early. I'm filming today and editing today, so this video will be up as soon as possible. But yeah, I also wanted to announce the giveaway winner of the Travis Scott limited edition, like website exclusive Reese's cereal. The winner is going to be I won't list it down below, but his name is Johnny, and his name is Johnny, and his Instagram is johnny.mh_. So yeah, congratulations Johnny on your win. And now if you're interested in my review of these sneakers, some close-ups on feet, then you know the deal, you know the drill, and you know the vibes. Let's get it. Woo! I'm so excited to have these. I actually got these on the sneakers app, so from Nike, with exclusive access. I think exclusive access went live, I don't know. So exclusive access went live on Tuesday around 12 p.m. and I was a little late to actually get onto the exclusive access. I feel like, I don't know, because I got the notification, and then like the notification was a couple minutes ago when I went on. And yeah, I have a filter for a certain size, but I changed to my size, which is a women's 6.5, and yeah, I got it, confirmed my order. It shipped out the next day, I believe, and it's here today. Today's Friday, 2-day shipping. It's the Off-White X Air Jordan 4 women's exclusive, even though you could get your size, in the sale colorway. This is the box. It looks like some Swiss cheese, in my opinion, in my opinion. So there are holes all around the box. You got the finger hole over here. Very interesting box layout. I've never seen something like this. I know the ones have the flap, which I think is really cool. The holes, not as much of a fan of, but to each their own. And over here we have the size tab. I am a women's 6.5, which is a men's 5. Again, if you're getting these sneakers, know your women's sizing. If you aren't a woman, it's usually 1.5 sizes up from your men's size. And yeah, so we're gonna open this up. Inside of the box, the cover. This is what it looks like when you open up the box. I will say these retail for $200 US, so it's about $217 with shipping or with taxes, because I don't think they charge shipping, but definitely taxes. Inside this box we have a clear plastic. It's not a paper, but it's a clear plastic, with the Off-White branding. And the plastic also has the Jumpman. The 4s usually come with like a black garbage bag kind of texture. Fruit fly. So there are 3 extra pairs of laces. The shoe does come with a sale color. We have a mint pair, a more white, true white pair. So true white, kind of like off-white, more true to white, and black. I think my favorite is the mint. Mint is just, it's a vibe, very summery. Here we are. Here's the shoe. It looks so small and like chunky. I mean, I have small feet. So yeah, these shoes do come with shoe trees. So as always with the off-white sneakers and the Nike collabs, there is a deconstructed, unfinished kind of vibe. This definitely looks like the blueprint of a Jordan 4, if you know what I mean. Like, here's the sample, but this is the finished good, which I'm not mad at. Over here we have the deconstructed tongue with the foam exposed and the ankle collar. Lots of padding in here, should be very comfortable. On the toe panel, reaching all the way to the mid, there is a protective layer on there. So here on the toe panel and the mid panels, there is a like rubber waffle netting. And here we have some translucent rubber over here and back here on the heel tab, which is quite interesting. It does say Nike Air on there, but you can kind of tell where everything is glued together within the shoe. Quite interesting. Quite interesting. Just now really looking into that. Wonder if you'll see the Nike Air. You kind of see it. It says Air Jordan on the inside of the toe panel, again with the protective layering on top of the Jumpman logo. And here we have some more rubber detailing, and on the sole, it's more of like a translucent rubber sail, whereas right here it's a very opaque material, not rubber. And here is the outsole. We have some of the mint color over here, and the Nike logo, the translucent sail rubber, the more opaque material. Here's the insole of the shoe, just says Nike Air. It's not very cushioned. I checked, like my shoes have cushion. It's pretty average. Pretty average. Oh well, we might as well show the one with all the goodies on it. That is a big accessory right there. This is also in the sail colorway with the Jumpman logo, the sail chain. Everything is just so monochromatic. It's a girl's vibe, monochromatic. And the sail tag, off-white tag, zip tie. I am looking at my shoe up close. I didn't do this. I did not do this. I just looked at it and found it this way. And where did the red even come from? The box? Is it like dye? It could be dye from the box or the paper from being hot outside and things. Listen, I got a pair of Jordans the other day. I opened them to check them out before I sent them off. And it was super warm in that box. Like, my shoes were warm, had to let them air out because it's really hot out there. So maybe that's why I have some transfer of colors. That is so sad. Oh my god. And here we have some of the off-white wording, as always, on the inside mid panel under the caged rubber, waffle rubber. So yeah, that is the Off-White X Air Jordan 4 women's exclusive in sale. So yeah, that's all about this shoe. I do have some other off-whites in my collection. If you're interested in that, I'll link it up here, my sneaker collection. And I do have some off-whites in my top 5, of course. So if you're also interested in my top 5 for my sneaker collection, I'll link it up here and in the description box down below. I have a lot of sneakers. You could probably tell I'm very into sneakers, so you may call me a sneakerhead. Anyways, let's get into the on feeds. Okay guys, so that's the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed. Comment down below if you're interested in the shoes or if they're a skip for you. Let me know if you did cop or not, and let me know where you copped. I know there are a lot of raffles out there. Sneakers is almost always an L, which is why I'm really surprised that I got these on exclusive access. I haven't had exclusive access. I don't even remember the last sneaker I had it exclusive. Maybe like the Royal Toes. I think that was it. But anyways, I'm really excited to have these in my collection. Definitely something good to have. Calm colorway. Amazing. I also want to thank everyone who entered my giveaway. I had, I think, 460 something entries, so thank you so much for entering, and congratulations to Johnny once again for winning the giveaway. There will be other giveaways in the future. I don't know of what. We'll see when I reach certain milestones or I get something really cool. I like to give it away, give back to the people who are watching, following, and subscribing. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Hit the bell notification if you're feeling froggy. I post every Thursday and Sunday. My sneaker videos are usually, you know, as soon as I get the shoe, film and post it as soon as possible, even if it's not on my schedule. So hence this video. If you like me and you like this video, share it to a friend, one friend, all your friends, Instagram, Twitter, and link all my socials down below. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to catch you in the next one. Bye.